The state has provided scant details surrounding the death of retired Brigadier Matthias Tizirai Ngarava, who died on Christmas Day in Hanoi under circumstances that remain unclear. Sarabda mashkubranyu the sketchy details, the general Ngarava's death. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipitam now, Pobdam Comchinzi. The commander of the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA, Lieutenant General Asha Watertafmane, confirmed that Brigadier Ngarava passed away on 25 December 2025 at Hanoi General Hospital. No official cause of death has been disclosed. Since the announcement, mourners have gathered at house number 64701, Mapawo Phase 2 in Hanoi, to pay their respects and console the bereaved family. However, the absence of detailed information from authorities has fueled speculation, particularly given Zimbabwe's recent history of unexplained or sparsely explained death of senior military figures. Since the 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe from power and ushered in President Emmerson Mnangagwa, several senior army and security officials, many perceived to be aligned with Vice President Nkosazana Chwenga, have died in quick succession. Among them was former Foreign Affairs Minister and retired Lieutenant General Sibusiso Moyo, the first of the 2017 coup announcement, who died in January 2021 after what government described as a short illness. Air Marshal Terence Shiri, a powerful military figure and former Lands Minister, died in July 2020, officially from complications related to COVID-19. Retired Major General Parazai Zimondi, the long-serving prisons boss, died in 2021, while Lieutenant General Douglas Nikayaramba, another senior commander associated with the military establishment, died in 2019 following illness. Although authorities have attributed these deaths to natural causes, illness, or accidents, the pattern has repeatedly triggered public debate and speculation, particularly in the context of factional tensions within ZANU-PF and the broader security establishment following the 2017 transition. Brigadier Ngarava's death comes against the sensitive backdrop where the military continues to wield significant influence over Zimbabwe's political landscape. Serving and retired military personnel have long played an overt role in partisan politics, often openly aligning themselves with the ZANU-PF. Historically, the military has worked hand in glove with the ruling party in rural areas where soldiers and war veterans have been deployed during election periods. Numerous reports by human rights organizations have documented how these forces have been used to intimidate villagers, conduct night meetings, and persecute suspected opposition supporters, effectively coercing communities into supporting ZANU-PF. Thomas Kwanubuda Pangwa Inoy. Comment section menus of Fungro Ema to leave on the chit page. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.